Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mama Elephant 9th anniversary release. This is Rena. We all made it to day 10. Yay! Remember to leave a comment on these release videos for a chance to enter a drawing to win a prize from Mama Elephant. The release will be available on September 15th. Make sure to also join us all month on the Mama Elephant social media for project inspiration from the design team, friends, and guest designers. Today we're going to take a look at Inside Holiday Messages, and this stamp set is intended to be stamped on the inside of your holiday cards. It contains 8 different messages with holiday themes. It's really good to have if you never know what to write on the inside of a holiday card, so I'm going to go ahead and read all of them super quick. A little more sparkle, a little less stress. This Christmas, I'm wishing you the very best. In this merry and joyous season, let the spirit of love fill our homes. May you find many reasons for happiness this Christmas and always. Warmest wishes from all of us for a joy-filled holiday season and a happy and healthy new year. Can you feel it? I'm hugging you in my heart and sending you the best wishes for a warm and fuzzy Christmas. Christmas is the season of being together. It's a season of hope and the magical moments. With this message, we are wishing you love, peace, and magic from our home to yours. Celebrate the miracle of the season. May your heart be filled with happiness. May the blessings of the holiday stay with you every day of the year. May your home be filled with simple joys, happy gatherings, and holiday cheer this winter season and through the year. From miles away, no matter how far we are, the warmth of Christmas will bring us closer. Merry Christmas from our home to yours. There is no way I would come up with any of that for my own holiday cards. I usually just sign my name and it's like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I never know what to say. So these come in real handy in those situations where you want to say something but you can't find the right words. I also have to apologize to all of you because I made an egregious error, on the favorite stamp of Penguins Go Skating. I chose the first one because I loved his belly. However, many of you love the one that face planted. So I'm going to take back my favorite. This is the first time I'm changing it because I looked at it because it was brought to my attention that he is super cute and I agree. So this card is dedicated to faceplant. So I'm going to do some stamping here. I'm going to use the Penguins Go Skating because that's where faceplant lives. And I'm going to stamp out that joy sentiment. I really love it. I have cut out a A2 size card front using the basic rectangles, and I, for the life of me, cannot find my landscape die, so I use this cloud border from the Rainbow Add-on Slim. I still had my Concord and 9th inks out, so I'm stamping out that joy sentiment in the color Honeysuckle. I wanted this card to be like pink and aqua. So I have discovered a crafty tool that, oh my goodness, has changed my life. So I have this little fan, and I actually use this little fan for myself because it's 100 degrees where I'm at. So I need a fan at all times. But it's so super tiny that if I have to like dry something real quick, I can totally just lift it up and dry my project with it. It's been amazing. I mean, obviously, if it's like super wet, like you would use a heat tool, but just for simple things like sentiments, it's awesome. Sometimes I don't like using a heat tool on paper because it warps the paper a bit. Now I'm going to take Inside Holiday Messages. I'm going to select one of the sentiments, and I made sure that the word joy was in that sentiment, so it kind of matched the larger joy sentiment that I have already stamped. I'm going to stamp that out in VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and then this card went super easy. I just adhered my little panel down, and then I'm going to adhere the penguin images, and these I already had on my desk. I was practicing and I just have images everywhere, so I wanted to use these up, and so I'm going to adhere it so Faceplant is the center of attention, and these three other penguins are running to him to help him. And yes, it killed me because I had two other penguin images and they didn't fit, but we held back. This is my favorite card. I love it. It came out so easy, and I just love this scene, and it's just my favorite. And I love the colors. And then we're going to add some white gel pen highlight on it. Now that the front panel is done, we're going to stamp the inside of our card base with one of the sentiments from the inside holiday messages. You always want to make sure that you're stamping it the correct orientation. This is the landscape style, so I'm going to stamp it out that way. But if you had like a top folding card, then you would do it portrait. But we're just going to stamp it real quick, and I love the look of this. I'm going to be using VersaFine Onyx black ink. And then also always remember, don't close the card base quickly after you stamp it. You're going to need to have that ink to dry. So here is our card base. I love the look of it. It looks so nice. I have no idea why I signed it. I think I was on autopilot. There was a pen near me because I was writing down Copic marker colors. And I'm like, what did I just do? So I'm going to adhere that card front to the card base. And then we have the inside holiday sentiments, both on the outside and the inside of the card. Okay, we are calling that card done, and here's a look at the completed card. So we're going to look at a montage of the cards for the 9th anniversary release, and then after that we have some announcements and housekeeping things, and then after that I'm going to have the product photos so you can see what is going to be available on September 15th. Okay, so next up on the list is on September 14th, Mama Elephant will have their promotion and sale announcement. You'll want to watch their blog as well as their Instagram. On September 15th is the worldwide release, and on that same day, the Stampede blog hop starts with the design team plus superstar friends through the 17th. So that'll be 3 days of the blog hop. And that is a wrap for me. I cannot wait to see what the design team comes up. I haven't seen anything yet, but I'm really excited. I always like to see what everyone makes. And there's also the guest designers too, and I cannot wait to see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe. Happy crafting. It is my pleasure and honor to share the release with you guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.